Namaskar, welcome to week 4. So, today is our first day in this week, and I guess you all have been really enjoying your ball workout in week 3. So, just to give you a little bit of break from the previous workout, now we are going to do exercises on a little more stable surface. Okay, so we are not going to exercise on the ball for this particular week. So, on day 1, what are we going to do? Now, day 1, we will be exercising while lying on our stomach. So, in this particular form, what are we going to do is we're going to lie on our stomach and slowly lift our legs up and upper chest and arms up. Yes, so in this position, what is going to happen? The gravity is going to pull the abdominal muscles down, and we're going to contract our abdominal muscles up, pelvic floor muscles inside, and then perform this exercise. So this will be your position for day 1, week 4. So before we proceed further, it's time for an energizer song. And in this energizer song, this is a little bit interesting. Why? We have the hand puppet show. So if you remember, when we were children, we used to use torch to make some beautiful shadows on the wall. So what I want you is to observe these things carefully and try to learn this simple shadow puppet show. Okay, so here's your energizer song.
Say we had a bad romance, but baby you keep stealing dances. Keep cutting in like you own me, then suddenly throw me away. You say we never had a chance, but you keep throwing me these glances, looking like you want me right now, but just like lightning.
Okay, welcome back. So as I told you, in this particular exercise, we'll be lying on our stomach. So it is important, when you lift your chest up and your legs up, you are going to breathe out. Yes, you will exhale and lift up your body, inhale and relax down. Okay, so before moving further, let's see your exercise preview. So here's your exercise preview. Alright, before moving on, let's make a little mental imagery of what we are going to do. So please close your eyes and imagine yourself lying on your stomach, your arms outstretched, your legs stretched nicely. You are breathing out and lifting your upper chest and arms up, and at the same time you are lifting both the legs up. You relax and inhale and bring your body down. Again you breathe out and lift up your upper body, your arms and legs all together like a boat. Bring down your body, inhale, relax. Fantastic. So I guess now we are ready to do our exercise, and let me tell you, in this exercise we have to perform only one set of 20 repetitions. So make sure, now we are in week 4, there is a good coordination in your breathing pattern, your abdominal muscle contraction, your pelvic floor muscle contraction and your performance. Okay, so here we go. To do this set, lie comfortably on your stomach and slowly breathe out, and at the same time lift both your arms up and both your legs up. Since we have to do only one set, just target doing 20 repetitions. Be very slow, gentle, maintain your spine in the neutral position and keep lifting your body up. Try to look in front and upwards as you lift your body up. Breathe out, arms up, leg up. Breathe in. Breathe out, arms up and legs up. Breathe in, breathe out, arms up and legs up. Breathe in, breathe out, arms up and legs up. Make sure you have a good coordination in your spinal muscles, your abdominal muscles, your pelvic floor muscles and your breathing pattern. A good coordinated movement will help you to improve your balance and stabilize your spine better. Keep breathing out and lifting your arms and leg together. Try to hold the position in the upward direction for a few seconds and then come down and relax. Try doing about 20 repetitions in one go, but in case you are not able to do, you can always split the exercise. But there should be a good coordination in the muscles and the posture. Very well done, very well done, and I'm so proud of you all because now you have understood how to have your neutral spine, how to control your breathing pattern, how to exhale at the same time while you are performing movement and give a very precise coordinated movement. So keep practicing, keep improving every day. Till then, bye-bye.